Whether it is the quota factory or the newly arrived aspirants, TVF never disappoints us with its great creations. Hello everyone, welcome to Me Techie. In this video, we're gonna take a look at TVF aspirant. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump straight into it. Aspirants are written by Dipesh Sumitra Jagdish, directed by Apurv Singh Karki, and edited by Tushar Mancho. Now let's look at the cast. We see Naveen Kasturia as Abhilash, Shivankit Singh Parihar as Guri, Abhilash Thapalia as SK, Namita Dubey as Dhairya, and Sunny Hinduja as Sandeep Bhaiya. Now let's see the story. The story is about three friends, Abhilash, SK, and Guri, and the struggle of UPSC aspirants. We see the story oscillates between the past and the present time, where the past captures the struggle and the drama in the old Rajendra Nagar of Delhi, while in the present we see Abhilash is the only one who can crack UPSC and has become a IS officer. Guri is the owner of shoe company, SK is a teacher in the old Rajendra Nagar, Dhairya runs a NGO, Sandeep Bhaiya has cracked PCS. The story starts in the present time with Abhilash showing how to dispose a plastic bottle properly.
ऐसे दबा के इसके अंदर डाल दी। अब ये बॉटल बर्बाद हो गई। ये ढक्कन जो है ये निकलेगा नहीं अब।
Then we see SK as a teacher and it feels like it is the very first day of class for the aspirants, or it is the orientation day. You can see how tough the UPSC exam is through this scene.
और आप में से 99.9% लोग IAS नहीं बनने वाले हैं। मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं फैक्ट कह रहा हूं आपको। कितना लोग बैठता है? 12 लाख। प्रीलिम्स के बाद कितना? 15,000। मेंस का बाद 3,000 लोग बचता है। इंटरव्यू के बाद 1,000 में मैक्सिमम नंबर बोल रहा हूं। यानी इस क्लासरूम में तुम में से शायद कोई एक आधा IAS बन जाए, शायद, गारंटी नहीं है।
And at the same time when all this is going on, we see Abhilash from the past on a terrace, and after that scene we see Guri watching the video of Abhilash, and then SK comes and they chit chat a bit and Guri gifts him the shoe of his company. From this scene we came to know that Guri is the owner of a shoe company, and after listening to their gossip you can tell something went wrong between Guri and Abhilash. Then the scene changes to the past where we see Abhilash is confused about the optional subject. Before coming there, he was pretty sure that he will take history, but he got confused by the number of advices he take in the old Rajendra Nagar, but gets cleared at the end by Sandeep Bhaiya.
सब्जेक्ट जो है ना गर्लफ्रेंड के जैसा होता है। जिस लड़की में आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आप खुश ही नहीं रह पाओगे ना, ब्रेकअप हो जाएगा।
In the past, all the confusions which Abhilash had got cleared, like what is the right teacher and why positive approach is necessary, which was covered in episode 2 and 3. While all this was happening, Abhilash came across a girl named Dhairya and prepared with her for the UPSC exams and fell in love with her. But as the exam came near, everyone get anxiety except Prema. And while this, SK got so much anxiety that he get unconscious thinking about their plan B and if they can't crack UPSC.
प्लान भी नहीं है यार मेरे
While this, Abhilash sabbatical is ending soon and his office is saying him to join again. So he left his job and Dhairya too. And the result day comes. And this is a great scene, believe me. I will tell you later. Only SK qualifies for the main, and the rest of the people like Abhilash, Guri, Sandeep Bhaiya, Dhairya, including Pragati, fails. Now why I said this is a great scene, because if you look closely, you will notice that everyone who has plan B has an umbrella, and everyone who don't have a plan B don't have an umbrella. Like Abhilash and Sandeep Bhaiya don't have an umbrella. After that scene, we see Guri saying to Abhilash, you don't have to worry, not everyone becomes a IAS, so chill. But he was giving him fake hope because Guri's 2 attempts were left and Abhilash know it. And he can't tolerate it and calls him deaf in front of so many people. That's why the both friends fight with each other. What do you think? Whose fault it was? Let me know in the comments below. In the present, we see Abhilash and Guri still angry with each other, but still, the three friends meet to celebrate Guri's marriage, where Abhilash came to know Guri is marrying Thairya and he is not happy about it.
गुरप्रीत सिंह वेंट्स
But don't want to show his feelings, so he decides to go from that place.
सर कहाँ गए?
सर ने बिल पे कर दिया और वो चले गए सर.
And he also decides that he will not go to Guri's wedding. But on Sandeep Bhaiya's advice, he goes to the wedding. Because in life, friends are also important.
कोई साथ में हंसने रोने वाला कोई नहीं होता.
Here I didn't put everything in the story because then there won't be a point watching the whole web series. Okay, now let's take a look at the pros and cons. Before starting, let me tell you something. In this world, nothing is perfect. Everything has its pros and cons. So please don't hate me or the web series for it. With that said, let's take a look at the pros. TVF has captured the emotion of the characters very well and have shown the reality of the UPSC aspirants. Like in this scene, this is how the UPSC aspirants room look like. They have analyzed what the lives of UPSC aspirants look on the ground level, and the acting is well performed. The direction is great, the shot is well taken and tells the story. The editing is well done and the background music and songs are out of the box. Music doesn't feel like it's a filler, it feels like this was necessary and expresses the feeling of aspirants at the different stages. Whether it's the beginning or the result day or the second chance, music nails it. Now let's take a look at the cons. They should have shown the life and story a bit more of these two characters. First, Sandeep Bhaiya and Prema Riju. Now you may be thinking, why Prema Riju? Well, I will tell you and explain why Prema Riju, but first let's look why Sandeep Bhaiya. Sandeep Bhaiya, he came from a rural Rajasthan area whose financial status is not good enough to even get an admission in coaching institute. The only reason he used to listen to news on radio was not the distraction, but he can't afford a smartphone. Other than that, there are other reasons, like he's in a relationship with Kustum. He left his well-settled government job to prepare for UPSC, and that is a very big deal. And that is why TVF should have shown the story of Sandeep Bhaiya a bit more.
आर्थिक स्थिति ठीक ना हमारी.
But why Prema Riju? Well, Prema Riju is a fun character who loves to rap, but he comes from a family where everyone in his family is an IAS officer, except him.
पेमा रिजिजू भाई, पूरा खानदान जो है आईएएस है इनका. और ये कौन है? ये है राजेंद्र नगर के हनी सिंह.
अरे फिर से भाई, अरे हनी
Where
सिंह तो
everyone
मत
is
बोल
trying
यार.
to crack UPSC, he is chilling and doing what he loves. Where everyone is tensed about the result, he is slacking in his bed because he knows he didn't give the exam in the first place.
पेमा उठ, रिजल्ट आ गया भाई.
मैंने तो एग्जाम दिया ही नहीं ना.
And this is the side which TVF has showed us. They could have shown what happens with him next. What is the aftermath of him not giving the exam? What his family said? And that is why TVF should have shown the story of Prema Riju a bit more. Number 2. Too much romance. Now, according to me, there is a bit more romance than needed. I think the web series could have focused more on the preparation of the TVF aspirant, as the name suggests. The web series is more about the friendship and clash of the three friends, and the story revolves around them. Whereas the story should have revolved around the aspirants and the preparation which the aspirants do and the struggle they have. And they could have adjusted the story according to it. And I'm not saying the story is bad, but I'm just saying how it could have a lot better. By the way, here is a movie mistake. If you look closely, the movement of hand of SK is not really matching with his video. I just want to clear that I don't want to say the web series is bad or something. It is a great web series, but I'm just saying how could it have been much better. With that said, I hope you like this review. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and families, and thanks for watching.